In this video I'm going to show you how to get glass skin naturally at home using the Korean look. A couple of years ago, Korean skincare took the beauty industry by storm. Their toners, essences, serums and sheet masks have inspired many Western brands to introduce their own version of the products. Nowadays many skincare trends are gaining popularity, the most recent being glass skin. Glass skin effect was popularised by makeup artist Ellie Chow's dewy, poreless and hydrated skin in her Instagram post. This look refers to the incredibly moisturised and luminous skin, almost translucent and mimicking clear glass. It has become more popular than the matte look as it gives the illusion of healthy skin. However, the product they use to achieve this look are often full of chemicals that may look good in the short term but are not good for your skin in the long term. I'm going to show you how to achieve glass skin at home using natural products. So step number 1 is to cleanse your skin naturally with honey. Honey is a great natural cleanser. Add just a pinch of chickpea powder to honey and wash your face with this natural ingredients. Gently cleanse your face for 30 seconds and then wash off with cold water. It works gently in removing dirt and impurities without stripping off natural oils from the skin. Honey provides deep nourishment to the skin and keeps it hydrated. Chickpea powder leaves the skin fresh and softens it. Step 2. Milk ice cube massage. The next step is to massage your face with frozen milk cubes. Pour milk into an ice cube tray and freeze it. Use 1 milk ice cube and gently rub it on your face. Wash your face with cold water and then pat dry. A milk ice pack will instantly give a fresh and glowing look to your skin. It removes the dead skin, makes it soft, evens out the skin tone and also nourishes it. Step 3 is to slap your face. The concept of face slapping for youthful skin is not new. This ancient technique is gaining popularity due to its wonderful effects. Face slapping will increase blood flow on your face, making your skin look young and healthy. However, you don't have to be harsh while slapping, use gentle strokes. This therapy gives you a smooth and supple skin as it stimulates the production of collagen. It diminishes smaller pores and reduces the appearance of wrinkles. Step 4. Spray rice water on your face. Washing your face with rice infused water brings anti-inflammatory and anti-aging benefits to your skin. It brightens your skin and helps you achieve a smooth, soft and flawless skin tone. Just take a bowl of rice and wash them thoroughly to remove the dirt. Soak them in enough water for 30 minutes. Strain the water and pour it into a spray bottle. Spray this rice water all over your face and let it dry. You can store this water in the refrigerator for up to 4 days. Regular usage will give you a perfect porcelain finish. It gives your face a natural shine without making it look oily and tightens skin pores. The final step is to moisturise your face with aloe vera, step number 5. Apply pure aloe vera gel on your face and leave it overnight. It increases water content in your skin and leaves it hydrated. Moisturising your skin is an essential part of your beauty regime. Aloe vera improves the elasticity of the skin and makes it smoother and supple. Well moisturised skin is less prone to wrinkles and fine lines. Make all of the above mentioned natural ingredients part of your beauty regime and get that dewy looking porcelain skin you've always wanted. I hope you've enjoyed this video on how to get glass skin naturally at home using the Korean look. And if you have, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on how to use rose water at night for beautiful face skin in the morning. Thanks for watching and bye for now.